no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 33 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the Jesus Calling devotional by Sarah Young. It's absolutely fantastic. We have had such a great time doing this. This is something I just wanted to do for myself. I decided I would share it with my community, and it has turned out to be a big hit. It has just really been a great time. So if you've missed any of the previous episodes, I will have those linked in the description box. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a daily devotional instead of my DIYs, I will have some videos in the description box to get you caught back up. All right, guys, let's jump in. Okay, number 33. Let me give you guys the verses. I like to give you all the verses just so you can maybe take a screenshot or possibly jot them down real quick. You could pause the video, maybe, and jot them down, at least the chapter and the verse. That way you could go back and look at them throughout the day if you want to. Okay. Number 33. I am renewing your mind. When your thoughts flow freely, they tend to move towards problems. Your focus gets snagged on a given problem, circling round and round it in attempts to gain mastery. Your energy is drained away from other matters through this negative focus. Worst of all, you lose sight of me. A renewed mind is present focused. Train your mind to seek me in every moment, every situation. Sometimes you can find me in your surroundings, a lilting bird song, a loved one's smile, golden sunlight. At other times you must draw inward to find me. I am always present in your spirit. Seek my face, speak to me, and I will light up your mind. Good stuff. All right. So the verses for today. Do not conform any longer to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will. His good, pleasing, and perfect will. That's why it's so important to pray God's will. If you've got a problem or you've got a situation going on and, you are seeking help from the Lord for it, don't say, Lord, I pray that you would fix this like A, B, and C. Or I pray that you would make that person do A, B, and C. Pray, Lord, I pray that your will would be done. And leave it at that. God, I pray that your will would be done. Because obviously God's will is going to be the best. So don't try to fix things yourself. Just always pray God's will be done. That God's will be done. I promise you, it is the best way. All right, let's keep going. Therefore, holy brothers, who square in the heavenly calling, fix your thoughts on Jesus, the apostle and high priest, whom we confess. Hebrews 3:1. That first one was Romans 12:2. I'll have it up on the screen though, so hopefully you guys saw that. Okay. Look to the Lord and His strength. Seek His face always. Psalms 105:4. I'd much rather the Lord be not in control, because He doesn't control our minds, but I don't know how to say it. I would much rather God be guarding my mind and my thoughts than I had my will be, you know, taking care of my mental health, because that's a disaster. That is a hot mess of a disaster. Okay. So what I'm saying is, it's just better to take your thoughts to God. Whatever it is that you have going on, whatever it is that you're praying about, that you're thinking about, that you're worrying about, that, you know, a couple of devotionals back, we talked about how worry can turn into an idol. So whatever it is that's on your mind all the time, pray about it. Give it to God and ask that His will would be done in your life. That God's will would be done, not your own. I promise you, you do not want to fix things yourself. I promise you don't. God's will is definitely better. Definitely the best approach towards problems. Just ask that God's will be done. Super simple. All right, guys. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.